Hey guys, how's it going? This is KevTech here, bringing you another video on information technology. So today is it's gonna be a quick video. Happy Saturday. I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm gonna go over Revo Uninstaller. So basically, Revo Uninstaller is an application that allows you to uninstall any annoying apps that you have on your computer, and this is used commonly in the IT world. So like if you work desktop support or IT support, this is the app that I commonly use if I cannot uninstall a program that's being extremely stubborn. Um, I use it in my last job, and my current job I use it as well. So I'm gonna show you what it is and how to get into it. So just go to google.com. It's called Revo Uninstaller. It's really good. You see, like, it has almost 5 stars. It's actually a really good program. Just go to downloads. We're not gonna pay for it, so we're gonna get like a free download version of it. Go ahead, download now. Should be there. Let that open. Install. English. Next. Gonna close out of that. Next. Next. Install. Launch it. There we go. So it's just Chrome opening up because something. Oh, you have successfully installed blah blah blah. Thank you for installing blah blah blah. Um, so here you see here the apps over here on the left hand side. Here we are going to uninstall Apple, and Apple, let's uninstall. So all the apps I have installed on my computer. I don't have a lot. I have 1 TB SSD. I just upgraded my PC to a 1 TB SSD. I had a 250 SSD, but I need more space. It's like no space on my computer. So here we're gonna uninstall this. So let's just uninstall Apple mobile device support, for example. So you right click on it, you hit uninstall. You could do some other stuff on it. There's all these crazy things you could do on it. Just hit uninstall. It's gonna create like a restore point, so you could get the application back if you didn't mean to uninstall that one. It just scans the whole computer. Here, this is like from the control panel, so it's trying to use the control panel to uninstall it, but I don't want to do that. I actually want to run the app itself from the actual Revo Uninstaller. So here you hit advanced moderate. I'm gonna hit moderate. You hit scan. So it starts scanning that application, the one that I'm trying to remove, and which is pretty cool. So here it allows you to remove the registry key of that file. Because sometimes when you uninstall an app, it doesn't really uninstall completely. Like you could have an application on the C drive, and even though you removed it from here, sometimes it gets stuck on the registry. So like if you know anything about Windows operating systems, like some of these apps are really stubborn to remove. So it might be stuck here. It might be lingering around on the registry key. So like for me, I recommend doing it this way. So you hit the select all button. It selects everything. Hit delete. Delete it. Hit finish. Well, sorry. No. So here, it's still on the C drive. Sorry about that. So you hit select all. Hit delete. Yes. And it should be gone now. So now it's completely gone. So if you go to the control panel, it should be completely gone, which it is. It's completely gone. It's the mobile phone support for Apple. It's gone. So yeah, so that's it. So this is a really good application if you're trying to remove like an example would be I'll tell you right now what it is. An example for a virus. An example would be a Trojan horse virus, or there's another one. I'm trying to think right now. You just have malware. If you have like a malware virus, it will remove that as well. Any of these stupid things, like you know how you install like a free application and it comes with all this bloatware garbage on the computer. So basically, this allows you to remove it. So that's basically what this is. I just wanted to show you this. It's really good. It's a good application. I definitely recommend it if you have a computer or a laptop and you have an application that just does not want to remove at all. I definitely recommend it. So that's pretty much it. So I wanted to show you. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy Saturday. Rate, comment, subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. I'm just having my coffee. Subscribe. And if you're new here, I post videos. I try to post videos at least Saturday or Sunday. Videos on IT, desktop support, some CompTIA, A+, Network Plus stuff. I'm gonna start making more videos, so I'll be around. I'll try to make another video tomorrow. So hope you guys have a great day, and have a good one. Take care. Bye.